Hello guys, this is Shizukura again. This is the second video of making an Android application, an audio recorder using Android Studio. So what we've done so far is to declare the directory. This code shows that we are accessing the phone storage. We are making 1 and 2 folders. Inside this folder we are putting the output file, recorded audio, and the extension file name is .wav. So far our buttons functionality are just changing its name from record to recording and recording to record. Same goes here to the play button. Alright, so for now let's just focus making the recorder, but before anything else, let's do the directory inside the record button. So if we do this, it will automatically create these folders. Take note that this is just a declaration, so this is how to make it come true. What happened? So recorder, let's refresh the recorder. New media recorder. We need to set the audio source. So our audio source is the microphone equals media player, media recorder, sorry, that audio source, that mic. Sorry, that's the wrong putting the code. So let's set audio source. Yes, this is the correct coding. The next one would be the output format and audio encoder. For me, let's just make it to default. Set audio encoder. Alright, so the next one would be output file. Inside this output file, that's why we created this directory. So let's put it together here in the output file. So directory plus the output file plus the extension file name. I guess this is good. Let's prepare the recorder, and we need to start the recorder. We have some error here. It shows Java IO exception. Let's make an exception but what will we have here? Surround with try catch. That's right, we need to surround a try catch here in order for the recorder to if there's something wrong, the exception will catch the error and it will do the print stack trace. I guess there's nothing wrong here for now, and I think the recorder will start smoothly, but it was lacking some security, so we need to add some more security to our recorder. What's on my mind is we need to put the if statement. If recorder is not equal to null, that means if there's something going on inside the recorder, we need to release it. Okay, our job is done here. Let's copy this, and we are making the stop button. Stop. Alright, that should be done for the record button. By the way, I found out that if we declare the button, I mean the name of the button in the XML file, there are sometimes that the name of the button does not recognize on the Java file. So in order for us to secure a smooth transition here, let's declare manually the text of the record button and the play button. Record button that set text is equal to record play button that set text play. Also, before I forgot, we need to add some toast that will represent as the signal that the recorder is currently recording. So, recording toast dot short length short dot I'm sorry, I think it's dot show. Alright, let's copy this and put it here. Let's change the name to the audio file is saved to, okay, plus let's copy this. That should do it. Alright, great. So for now we need to test this code if it's functional or not. Guys, actually I can't use an AVD here. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to record the video on the cell phone itself. of how things will work out using this code. Guys, so um, this is the phone that I'm using, and this is the output of our project. Let's try the record button. It shows recording, and we can stop it. The audio file is saved to the okay, that we need to set the length of the toast to long so we can read properly the directory. This thing is not functional well. Let's see if it works. Let's go to the file manager, audio records, and there's nothing in the records, but uh, this is the recorded file. As you can see, the name is records recorded audio.wav. So in that case, we need to redundant slash button between the records and the recorded word. And last thing is, if we make another recording, it will overwrite the current recording, so we need to stop that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and the next video would be fixing the problems that I've mentioned, and also the play button that we didn't created earlier.